Spendy Finance Management Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think budgeting is boring, but the surprising truth is that the right app can change your financial life. Spendy is a personal finance management app that helps you track spending, create budgets, and monitor your money in one place. You can manually enter expenses or connect your bank accounts for automatic tracking. Spendy shows you where your money actually goes. Food, rent, subscriptions, transport, and entertainment are all categorized. This makes it easier to find hidden spending leaks. Most people get this wrong. They think budgeting means restriction. In reality, Spendy helps you plan smarter so you can spend guilt-free. Spendy also supports shared wallets, which is perfect for couples, families, and roommates managing joint expenses. The app offers both free and paid plans. The paid version unlocks unlimited wallets, bank syncing, and advanced insights. Spendy is best for anyone who wants control over their money without complicated spreadsheets. The surprising truth is that awareness creates wealth. Subscribe for more honest finance app reviews that help you build better habits.